Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Cody. Today we're going to be cooking an egg sandwich, the most perfect egg sandwich that you have ever tasted in your entire existence on this planet. So real quick, what we need to make this perfect egg sandwich, we need a bowl, we need a whisk, 2 eggs, black pepper, some salt, cayenne pepper for a little bit of spice. And just for good measure, we're going to add in a little bit of vape. Oh yeah, beautiful. Let's start out by cracking these 2 eggs. Yeah, you can do that, or you can crack them and leave the shell out, or you could just blend the shell in, as I will show you. Alright, so what we do from there, we have the egg blending up. We're going to go on and add in a little bit or a lot of the cayenne pepper. That's up to you. I put in just a couple of shakes. You can put in a half a teaspoon or a whole tablespoon. It's up to you. So we're going to get that mixed up. Then what we're going to do is add in our salt and our pepper. That is going to be to taste. That is complete preference. I don't like a lot of salt, but I love a lot of pepper. I like spicy eggs. You can sue me, but it's not going to matter because this is America and I have that choice. We're going to mix it all up, mix it for just a couple of seconds, a couple swirls, get the whisk going. And then we're going to preset our stove top. And you can put that medium. If you want to make them real quick, you can throw it up on high. Just be ready to flip those eggs as quickly as possible. Up next, we're going to add a little bit of non-stick cooking spray. There are different brands out there. Just don't use WD-40. And then I hate waiting too long, so I'm going to summon my dark powers and go on and get this cooked immediately. Up next, we got the fun part. We're going to butter our toast. Some people like to just put eggs on dry bread. Not me, though. I'm a little bougie with it, so I prefer to put some butter on my toast to help add a little bit of moisture to that egg sandwich. So here we have it. We have our egg mixed, our egg spiced, our egg cooked, our toast buttered. All that's left now is for us to just add the egg to the bread, and we will have ourselves that beautiful, scrumptious egg sandwich that I promised. It's really high in protein. It's a great alternative to your typical cereals and your super sugary breakfasts. Also, if you're trying to lose a little bit of weight, that cayenne pepper is going to keep your metabolism burning fat after you eat. Cooking with Cody is not liable for any injury, illness, or death caused by the instruction in this video. Cooking with Cody is recorded in front of a live studio audience in Kingsport, Tennessee.